we've got a saying upstairs in the performance center, and I think in terms of performance, in terms of these games, you know, we're going to do our best. They say that luck is where preparation meets opportunity, and the kids upstairs, the people that the athletes have been training with us, you know, they've got a saying in the back of some of the T-shirts and says, "Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work." And I think that this group of athletes, the majority, or almost all of these athletes, have been working their tails off, for some of them as many as 3 or 4 years, to try and get a best performance. And we're going to do the best we can. We're going to need luck, but we're going to do the best we can. And trying to do that is the greatest thing in the world. So it's going to be great. The Centennial Cup is there. We have it right now. We won it in the last games in Sherbrooke, Quebec, and we'd like to win it back-to-back, which I don't think has been done. So that's a goal. And we'd like to win, get more than 25 medals that we got in the previous games. So that's our goal, to win that as well. It's going to be tough, and we're going to have to be tough. One of the things we talk about with the athletes, and Caitlin talked about the obstacles, and we sort of look at the obstacles and we go, you know, the tougher it gets in terms of logistics and arrangements, the better it is. And we have a saying, all the coaches and athletes are tired of me saying it, but build a bridge and get over it. So when something gets tough, we think, yahoo, because if that's getting the other teams down because the buses don't work or the food isn't right or something didn't happen the way you're expecting it, then they're going to get down and they're going to get bent out of shape. And the more bent out of shape the opposition gets, the better it is for us. So we're hoping for rough and tough games, and we're ready for it. And we're going to guarantee that we're going to do our best, and we're going to have the most spirit of any team in the games. So that's our commitment to you. Is that right? All right. Now, just for the athletes, just to show you what we mean, the athletes are going to put their hands, pretend in the middle here, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3, Toba, really loud for these media guys, because they've never seen that time. Ready? 1, 2, 3.